Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video I would be talking about the superficial reflexes. So reflexes based on spinal nerves. Plantar reflex. To elicit it, the sole should be warm and clean with leg completely relaxed. How to elicit? Gently scratch the outer edge of the foot with a blunt object, say key, from the heel towards the little toe and then medially across the metatarsals. Response is plantar flexion, downward movement of all the toes. And level of spinal cord involved is L5 and S1. Now second reflex is abdominal reflex. How to elicit? Subject lying supine and relaxed with abdomen uncovered, stroking abdominal wall with key parallel to costal margin and inguinal ligament. Response is a ripple of contraction of underlying abdominal muscle. It is usually difficult to obtain this reflex in anxious person, elderly and obese and multipara women. Level of spinal cord involved is T7 to T12, which supplies abdomen. Now third is the scapular reflex. How to elicit is stroking skin in interscapular region. The response is contraction of scapular muscle, supra and infraspinatus. Level of spinal cord involved is C5 to T1. Brachial plexus is the anal reflex. How to elicit is stroking or scratching the skin near the anus, and response is contraction of anal sphincter. Level of spinal cord involved is S3 to S4. Now fifth one is the Cremasteric Reflex. How to elicit? Stroking skin at upper and inner part of thigh. Response is drawing outwards of testicle due to contraction of cremasteric muscle. Level of spinal cord involved is L1 and L2 combined to form genitofemoral nerve, which gives the cremasteric reflex. Reflex is bulbo-cavernous reflex. How to elicit is pinching dorsum of glans penis. Response is contraction of bulbo-cavernous muscle. Level of spinal cord involved is S3 and S4. Reflexes based on cranial nerves. First one is conjunctival reflex. How to elicit? Touch the conjunctiva with a cotton wool swab. Response is contraction of orbicularis oculi, result in rapid closure of eyelid. Cranial nerves involved: afferent, 5th nerve, and efferent is 7th nerve. Now second one is the corneal reflex. How to elicit? Lightly touch the lateral edge of the cornea at its conjunctival margin with a cotton wool swab. Response: contraction of orbicularis oculi, result in rapid closure of eyelid. Cranial nerve involved: afferent 5th nerve and efferent 7th nerve. And third one is the visual reflex. First is pupillary or light reflex, direct or indirect, and accommodation reflex. And now second, the cranial nerves involved are afferent 2nd nerve and efferent 3rd nerve. And palatal reflex, the nerves or cranial nerve involved are 5th and 9th are afferent and efferent is 10th nerve. Thank you.